Hi, this is Russ at Keast Enterprises. Today we're here with REM's VRX grain vacuum. The VRX is a very powerful machine. It's at 6,000 bushels per hour capacity. Uses 85 horsepower to move that grain. It comes with 47 feet of piping. The piping's back here on the back. It's all racked up on the back. Very handy. The machine features an hour meter and a tachometer. And so you can see what speed you're running the machine at and how many hours it has on it. It does feature a telescoping inlet. So the inlet moves about 24 inches in and out. That does help when you're connecting to a grain bin. The auger is fully hydraulic. It goes up to 14 feet of height, and the connect hubs automatically connect with each other. And again, it discharges at 14 feet. This machine features 3 different nozzles. The wheel, we call it the wheel nozzle. The straight nozzle would be this one, and then the standing floor nozzle. The standing floor nozzle is, in our opinion, the nozzle that you need to be using 90% of the time. It's by far the most handy once you're trained how to use it, and the most easy to use for the customer. This machine weighs 3,000 pounds. And it does have torsion axles, so it's easy to pull. This machine does come with a dust collector as an optional unit. So if you're in town or if you're in a sensitive area for dust, we can mount a dust collector. And the dust collector is extremely efficient. It gets nearly all the dust and puts it in a bucket.